In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit Wix website. To get started, go to your Wix dashboard and look through the list of websites connected to your account. From there, select the specific website you want to modify. This is the site you will be working on, so make sure you choose the correct one before moving forward. Once you are on the right website, click Edit Site. This will open the Wix editor, which is where you can make changes to your site's design, layout, and content. Give the editor a moment to load fully so you can clearly see all the tools available on the screen. If you want to add something new to your page, go to the left sidebar and click the Add Elements icon, shown as a plus sign. This section lets you drag and drop new components directly onto the page. For example, you can place text sections, images, buttons, shapes, or other visual elements where you want them. Dragging and dropping makes it easy to build the layout visually, so take your time placing items neatly and making sure they fit the page structure well. If you need to manage your website pages, find the page name and click the three dots next to it. This opens a menu where you can rename the page, duplicate it, or delete it. Renaming is helpful for keeping your site organized. Duplicating can save time if you want a similar layout on another page, and deleting removes pages you no longer need. Be careful with delete actions so you do not remove something important by mistake. After making your edits, click Save in the top right toolbar. Saving is important because it stores your latest changes in the editor before you move on. It is a good habit to save whenever you complete a major update. Next, click Preview to review the layout. This lets you see how your website will look before it goes live. Use this view to check spacing, alignment, and the overall appearance of the page. It is a simple way to catch anything that needs adjustment. When everything looks right, click Publish in the upper right corner. This makes your changes live on your Wix website so visitors can see the updated version immediately. That covers everything you need to know.